Good morning, Dumelang Abusheni. Hey Sanas, welcome back to yet another weekly vlog. My name is Kash, also known as Kash the Creative. If you're a real one, a regular degular, you'll know that this channel started out as being Kash the Creative. Yes, I did mention that it's another weekly vlog. Today's Saturday, and I am preparing for my my run, my 10 km weekend morning run. Currently the time, I think it's 5 to 6 if I'm not mistaken. I'm drinking my is it dark coffee? Yes. It's not dark coffee, they don't call it dark coffee. What do they call it? Black coffee. Oh my gosh, drinking black coffee. Oh, you guys can see I'm so tired, but I've got a whole lot of things to do today. It's also the beginning of my maintenance week. I didn't have a maintenance week until just last month, literally, because I've been on my not saving era, but I had to prioritize certain things. Now that I've achieved some, like how my priority was moving, and now that I've moved, I can finally breathe a bit and I can look after myself, So today's agenda, I'm gonna go for my run / walk, and then when I come back, I'm gonna get ready, go do my hair. I need to be at the salon literally at 9 o'clock on the dot. I need to be walking into that salon simply because I know it gets packed, and I know if I get there at 9, I'm gonna be done by 12:30, And also another thing is I'm going to my cousin's house. We're going there to meet up, chill, have a kiki moment, which is quite fun. And then that's the agenda for today. And then there's tomorrow Sunday, I'm going to do my 10 kilometers again, and then we'll see where the day takes us. But guys, come along with me. Did you move your body today, guys? I don't know when you're watching this, but did you move your body today, guys? Also another thing is I've been realizing that my body is eating. My body is eating right now. As I'm speaking to you, it's eating, and it's simply because of my consistency and putting in 1% per day. 1%, guys, it has a compounding effect. The compounds of 1% each day equals 7% each week, equals 14% in 2 weeks, and then do the math, guys. By the time you actually wake up and realize, your body will start eating. So guys, move your body, even if it's 20 minutes a day. Take a walk or do like a home workout. I promise you guys, you'll see a difference within, let's give yourself a year. Within a year, you'll see a difference. Be consistent in moving and eat healthy 60% of the time. I used to eat healthy like 60. I used to eat healthy like 40%. Now it's up to 60%, and next year I'm gonna do 80, and then so on and so forth. So okay, guys, come with me on this walk, and then let's spend the day together.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen.
10 kilometers done and dusted, guys. 10 kilometers done and dusted. The one thing that I am noticing every time I jog or I walk is my endurance levels. I can run for a longer time now, and I am able now to control my breathing. At first, it was so hard, but now I'm getting into the hang of things, and I'm understanding my body more as I run or as I walk. So guys, if there's one thing that I'm grateful that I did this year, was walking and jogging, because guys, that feeling that you get, top tier. So let me get ready, shower, and just start this day.
For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world.
Fabiana, who this? Bobbiana, who's this? Yo guys, order is restored once my hair is done, guys. Sometimes you think that life is just miserable, can't you? Just need to do your hair. Do your hair. Next week I'm doing my nails, and Gesana December will be activated. So okay guys, let's go to my cousin's place and just go chill over there, have some fun, a few drinks, and just get it going. See you guys. Hey guys, I realized the last time I spoke to you guys was yesterday before I went to my cousin's place. I did not take content at all because we were so submersed in the moment. We were chatting, catching up. So, and also share my poor cousins. I asked for I asked a bit of help so that they can assist me with the content that I was shooting for Vital Health. So we were busy with that. So I couldn't be busy with campaigns and then still be busy with YouTube also at the same time. Come on. So I just needed to also give them a break. But it was amazing. Chef's kiss. I missed the girls. I missed them so much. I love them down. So right now I'm watching YouTube's wow, I'm watching vlogs, just chilling. I just came here to tell you how I've always been addicted to these chips ever since I found out about them. The City Puffs. These are my guilty pleasure sweets. Your chips, I love these chips. Like, yours, guys. I get them at OK. I get them at Spa sometimes. And even in PE, I used to love these chips. They still are one of my favorite chips. This and Flings in rotation. Chef's kiss. So today I also went for my 10-kilometer walk, but today we did 11 kilometers, which is amazing. Guys, your kids be complex. Oh, guys, firstly there's a park here in front of the block of flats, and they always playing in front of the freaking parking lot. And sometimes babethi motos abantu nangebola. Oh, guys, kids sometimes I suka. But anyway, I went for my walk around today, and what I noticed was weight loss is quite evident now. I'm only seeing it now when I was wearing one of my gym tights. Sana, I'm trying to run. No tighty from falling. I'm trying to run. Sana, utighty uyawa is loose. I was struggling so much because kaloku I also didn't notice that this tight was loose or ulusi. I'm running, tightening up. I'm like, okay girl, okay, the work that we've been putting in, we see it coming together. So if and they're always arguing, they're always fighting. I don't know why they're fighting all the time, but anyway. So yeah, if there's any piece of advice I would give someone, just continue, just walk 30 minutes a day. Walk 30 minutes 5 times a week, 3 times a week, once a week, twice a week. Just move your body. Doesn't matter. You can even do girls' Joe if that's what you like. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday, having an amazing week. Next week is gonna be a great week, a very busy week. With that being said, I'm super excited for next week because God is in the neighborhood. You know, I'm working on 2 campaigns next week. Yeah, working on 2 more campaigns next week, guys. It's so exciting. And guys, if you see my content, please show it some love.
You see has a positive outlook on your life.
I'm getting higher, feeling my sleep. Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past me. Sometimes it feels like forever. I'm going high.
Sanbonani Dumilang Abusheni. Hey Sanas, welcome back to yet another vlog. Guys, this week it's already technically it's Tuesday, the day before a day, guys. We are Yo, guys, we are breathing through the wounds. Like, literally, we are just waiting. And it's Black Friday. You're just seeing a lot of things that are like just built in consumerism. There's a few things that I really want, especially when it comes to this Black Friday. I want bedding, new bedding. I want an air fryer as well. I think those are my two spoils for my birthday this year. I'm such an adult. Imagine the air fryer and bedding for a birthday gift instead of buying like nice proper stuff. But anyway, so those are the two items that are on my wish list currently. And then, oh yes, another thing that I did today's Tuesday. If you don't know, there's this thing called Fresh Tuesdays on Uber Eats. Basically, they sell discounted fruits and vegetables. If you were gonna spend 1,000 rand on them on Uber Eats, you basically buy them for a fraction of the price. Okay, so I literally did that today. And guys, normally that food lasts me like for a very long time. It's great for like meal prepping and stuff. Meal prepping helps me to consume the food actually and store it and be able to use the food instead of it going off. Literally the last bits and drabs of my veggies literally finished today or yesterday or Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. But that literally lasted me for the whole of November, if I'm not mistaken. So if you are a biggish family, then I suggest that it's great to buy fruits and veggies there just to save some money. You can buy it every other week, but for now I just bought like a whole lot. It's great for smoothies as well if you're into smoothies. Yeah, so I bought like a lot of fruit, a lot of veggies basically. And then sometime this weekend I'm gonna buy my meat. And then the next top up would be essentially the 10 Rand Tuesdays on, is it 10 Rand Tuesdays? Yes, 10 Rand Tuesdays with Food Lovers. That would be my next top up. So normally that happens around the 15th of the month, but I don't know if it's gonna take place since it's like the holidays and stuff like that, but we shall see. So okay guys, if you don't know now, you know. Just had my black coffee as a pre-workout as well. I'm gonna go for my walk. I didn't walk yesterday because it was raining, and today early on it was raining as well, so it might rain a bit more later on. So okay, yeah, okay guys, I think I'm gonna take you guys with me when I take my walk. Guys, I'm in too deep now. Monday was 51, so I'm literally 51 days into my 100-day reset, and I'm feeling good. I'm putting in the work and the results are starting to show. Come on. So this week it's a weekly vlog. I'm starting this vlog on a Tuesday, so most probably I'll end it Sunday, not Sunday, maybe Saturday. I don't know why I introduced myself again in this vlog, because I know I did do an intro on Saturday, because this is basically my weekly, my maintenance week vlog technically. And I hope you like, comment and subscribe to this channel and join the Summit family. I'm getting higher, feeling in my sleep. Sometimes it feels like I'll never go past me. Hey guys, it's another day, another dollar. And yesterday, I think the last time I spoke to you guys, I was telling you guys that I'm gonna go to the salon, go do my hair, not hair, my nails. And if I didn't, so yesterday, or if I didn't tell you guys, then yesterday I went to go do my nails. And I'm here to show you how sickening are these nails. My nail tech ate it up and left no crumbs, period. Yeah, with that being said, now I am back at work, from work actually. It's Thursday, it's 5:15. I'm also doing washing, cooking, eat, walk. Hey Sanas, so today is Friday and I am busy in my tops, working from home because I've got a few deadlines to meet. And I just wanted to show you guys my Pick n Pay order that I just ordered. It's not a lot, but okay, it's something to keep me going for the next couple of weeks, week or two, and then okay, yeah. So basically this is it. I got tuna, chickpeas for my salads. I can't believe, guys, I bought this size. You go. I thought it's like a biggish size. So disappointed. Yeah, I normally have like this size, which works perfectly fine. And now, what is this one? Board Kesana. Hey guys, so it is definitely later on in the day, and I am having a Kicks spritzer, and I am winding down. I'm gonna drink my drink, then afterwards I'm gonna sleep because I'm tired. I've got a 6 a.m. run tomorrow. Then I'm gonna go fetch my dress because I'm going to wear it. Oh guys, I had a wardrobe malfunction. Ordered from Shein. Turns out the dress was big. Had to go send it to a tailor. So now tomorrow I'm gonna go fetch the dress. Tomorrow is also the wedding. I know. It's a bit close. I'm cutting it close. But my God is always faithful to me. God has always provided for me. Yabo. So the God I pray to has never disappointed me. Yabo. So okay, yeah, that's the plan. So those are the plans that I have for this weekend. I'm going to a wedding. Then on Sunday I'm going on a date with my boyfriend.